In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a draft order in Shopify. A draft order is really useful when you want to create an order manually, maybe for a phone order, a custom quote, or a special deal you don't have on your online store. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Find the section labeled Orders and click it. This will take you to your main orders list, where you can see all existing orders for your store. In the top right corner of this page, there's a button that says Create Order. Go ahead and click that to start a brand new draft order. Now you're on the draft order page. In the products section, you'll see a search bar and next to it, a button that says Browse. Click Browse. A pop-up window will open showing the products that are already in your Shopify store. From here, you can select one or more products to add to this draft order. Check the box on the left side of each product you want to include. When you've selected everything you need, click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up, and those products will appear in your draft order. If you need to add something that isn't already in your store catalog, you can create a custom item. Click Add Custom Item. A pop-up will appear where you can type in the item name, set the price, choose the quantity, and decide whether it's taxable or treated as a physical product. You can also enter the item weight and the weight unit if that's relevant for shipping. When you're done filling this out, click Add Item in the bottom right of the pop-up. The custom item will now be included in your draft order. As you add products, you'll see the payment summary appear at the bottom of the page. Here, you can choose how you want to handle payment for this order. If the customer is going to pay later, select the option for Payment Due Later. If you want to email them an invoice directly from Shopify, choose Send Invoice. This opens a pop-up where you can enter the customer's email address, edit the subject line, and add a custom message. You can also choose to lock product prices and allow discounts in that invoice. If the order has already been paid outside of Shopify, you can select Mark as Paid to record that payment in your system. On the right-hand sidebar of the draft order page, you have a few more options to keep everything organized. You can add internal notes about this order, which are only visible to you and your team. You can search for an existing customer or create a new customer profile and attach it to this order, which helps keep customer history and contact information in one place. You can also select the currency if you work with multiple currencies, and add tags to help categorize or filter your orders later. Once you've added all the products or custom items, chosen your payment option, and filled in any notes, customer details, and tags, take a moment to review everything. When you're satisfied that all the information is correct, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. This saves the draft order in your Shopify admin. That's all you need to create a draft order in Shopify. You can now come back to this draft later, send the invoice, or convert it into a completed order when your customer is ready.